Hi, I'm Oscar Mead, head designer here at TeamO. We had an email yesterday from Andrew who was asking about the features in the BackTow Lifejacket. The best way to show you is to get in the pool, so here we are. So we've entered the water. As you can see, the light on's gone off automatically. This is a SOLAS approved safety light with a 5-year warranty. The whistle is available just here on the oral tube, and the oral tube is there in case you want to top it up. When you're in the water, just float free. The bladder keeps you the right way up and will right you if you roll over. If you're being towed face down, you can grab the BackTow handle, pull it to release the BackTow tether from the front of the jacket, turn you over, drag you on your back. If I'm here floating free, I can simply grab this lanyard or reach behind my head to get the spray hood, pull it, and then pull it up and over my head and hook it underneath the front of the bladder. As you can see, I'm now protected from wind and waves, keeping the spray off my face and making breathing easier.